Global War 36 enthusiast here with Operation Skyfall, turn 1.7, Italy. It is July 1936. I'm filming this turn really quick over the lunch hour. So I've just encountered my first mistake, which is I have not set up PBE. So I'm going to do that after lunch. So what my situation is I'm expecting a new flag map. I've got the Rondell map here, but I'm getting the flag map. And hopefully it'll arrive today, and then I'll set my game up. So my board is not set up, but I thought for my sake of my opponents, I'd just set up Italy and then I'll take it down. This way I can get out my first Italian turn. So purchases, I have 10 IPP to spend. I'll purchase 1 naval transport for 7. I haven't thought this out fully. I need to have my dice. Don't have my dice tray set up. Okay, sorry about this delay. So I have, what did I say, 1 naval transport for 7, 1 Lend-Lease 1 cavalry to the Spanish nationalists for 3, and then I've got the destroyer off the build queue. Okay, combat movement. I'm going to attack here. I don't even have the Abyssinians set up. I believe they're 2 militia. I'm going to move everything into Abyssinia. So I'll be moving in 2 infantry and a fighter from Eritrea. From Italian Somaliland, I'll move in an infantry and a cavalry. And then I'll have this combat here in Abyssinia. Alrighty. I should also turn on my brighter lights. Sorry guys, I'm not very well prepared. Okay, let's get this sorted a little bit. Okay, 3 infantry at 1 because I'm going into mountains. Huh, got a hit. Okay, and I think 1 cavalry at 2. Another hit. And just to be on the safe side, we'll do the fighter at 6, and that's a 3rd hit. And then I believe that Panzer J has 2 militia at 2. Miss. So, let's see. I succeed. So, I'm going to place... I get to place stuff. I get 2 militia and 1 infantry. Where do I want to put that here? Should have thought this out. I think what I'll do is I'll put everything there in Italian Somaliland. All these guys here are here. I think I'm going to land this fighter in Italian Somaliland and put the air base there, the 2 militia and an infantry there. Not well prepared. 2 militia and an infantry. And then an air base there as well. Okay, that's all in Italian Somaliland. All right, non-combat movement. Let's see. From C-Zone I-5, the light cruiser and destroyer will move up to M6. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Do I want to be in M6? No, I'm going to be in M4. All right. From C-Zone M2, this submarine will move to I-5. 1, 2, 3. So he's there in I-5. From M6, 3 coastal subs will move to M7. From M6, all these guys will move down to M4. All right. Let's go up to Rome here. From northern Italy, the militia will move to Rome. From Rome, the infantry will move to northern Italy. From Lazio, 1 militia will go to Rome. From southern Italy, 1 militia will strategic rail to Rome. From Sicily, that was southern Italy. From Sicily, I'll walk across the narrow crossing with the mountain into southern Italy. Let's go down to Africa. From Tripolitania, the infantry will move to Cyrenaica. No, that's it. Okay. So up in M3, I'm going to place the 2 naval units. The naval transport and the destroyer will get placed in M3. All right, and then Lend-Lease delivery from northern Italy. The cavalry will go over to Galicia, Leon. Sorry, I don't have the Spanish set up, but that guy will arrive in Galicia, Leon, the cavalry. I'll collect 10 with Italy. Let's review the disposition of forces. In northern Italy, I have 3 infantry, 1 mountain infantry, 1 tactical bomber, 1 fighter, 1 tactical bomber. In Rome, 4 militia, 1 seaplane. In southern Italy, 1 mountain. In M3, a destroyer and a naval transport. In M7, 3 coastal subs. In M4, a battleship, a heavy cruiser, a light cruiser, 3 destroyers, a torpedo boat destroyer. Tripoli, a militia. Cyrenaica, 2 infantry and a motorized. Tobruk, a militia. Let's rotate the camera down a little bit for Abyssinia and such. In Abyssinia, 3 infantry and a cavalry. In Italian Somaliland, 2 militia, an infantry, an airbase, and a fighter. In I-5, a submarine. Next up is Boston Bruce with turn 1.8 KMT and 1.9 USA, and I owe a PBE after this. I'm going to do improved construction. Hopefully I announced that. I hope that doesn't affect. I should have done that before seeing the outcome of combat, but I don't think anybody's going to worry about it. It's the same thing I rolled for last game.